So we're surrounded by so many Vaishnavas. We're living in the land of Vaishnavas. Vrindavan is the land of Vaishnavas. It is the land of Shuddha Bhakti. There's thousands and thousands of Bhakta Prahlads walking in the land of Vrindavan, or maybe even sitting right next to us in this temple. So we should serve those devotees with an open heart, with a pure mind, and an open heart. Serve those Vaishnavas and pray for their mercy. And one of those Vaishnavas that we serve and pray for his mercy or her mercy, he or she may be that Bhakta Prahlad, may be that Bhava Bhakta, or what to speak of a Premi Bhakta. And by their heartfelt wishes, if they simply think in their heart, yes, he's a nice devotee, she's a nice devotee, they're serving me so nicely. Oh Krishna, please bless them with prema. Please, may they attain bhava and prema. And simply by the wishes, by the blessings of a Vaishnava, one will immediately attain bhava bhakti, and prema bhakti. So this is one teaching of Bhakta Prahlad, how he attained this bhava bhakti by the Narada Prasadena, by the mercy of Narada Muni.